Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox a very favorite tiny Indian lorry. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed and click on the bell icon. So let's begin.
This is the toy model, the Centy Toys Mini Transporter Public Truck. This has openable tailgate and is available in 3 different colors. So let's open the box. This is the toy model. This is the public transport goods carrier. CTGC Transport Co India. Actually, this is the diecast model of our beloved Tata Lorry. Just look at the chassis. It's very well detailed and it has a spare wheel here. Also, the tailgate is openable and it has a very large cargo space. Now let's keep our Centy Premier Padmini inside it. This has the pullback action feature. If you like my video, please click on the like button and share my video to your 10 friends. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please tell me in the comment box. Once again, subscribe my channel for more new videos and click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. So till our next video, bye.